Chappy454, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick video of my new TNT cannon design I just made. This one doesn't use any TNT to propel the projectile TNT. It instead uses the new mechanic of slime blocks being able to bounce things sideways, as well as they already could bounce them upwards. Now they can also do it sideways. And because it's being launched by a slime block, it allows it to shoot significantly faster, and you can shoot over 150 TNT per minute with this. To turn on, actually I have it set up to shoot diamonds just for this one. Those will shoot TNT. And then you can see it shoots very rapidly. Like there will usually be 8 or more TNT in the air at once, and they just keep firing and firing. I'll go over how to make it in a second. I'll just show you guys quick the TNT one first, or yeah, before. So basically just flick that on, and then you will see the TNT one, and then just instant moving on. That's pretty cool. Okay, so now that I showed you that, turn all these off. There shouldn't be any problem. Perfect. Okay. And now, one of the harder parts of building this was figuring out. I mean, it wasn't overly difficult, but just trying to make sure that there wouldn't be a TNT left in here when you shut it off, because it would of course blow up the whole cannon. And what I had to do, I had to add these to delay it, so that way it wouldn't start firing, or it wouldn't stop firing. It doesn't really matter how fast they both start. It's that you want to make sure it stops firing. These stop moving after this has stopped for a little bit. That way you can be sure that there's no TNT sitting in there. Like you saw, the dispenser stopped, and these did a couple cycles. That's to make sure you flush out all the TNT so there's none remaining in it. The redstone to it is pretty simple. You just have, because this is like a really quick clock, you couldn't just start it with a button. So it's a bit easier to do this. This is a sticky piston, and what happens is when it gets powered, it extends, but it does allow a bit of power to pass through first, which starts the clock up. If you give it too much, it'll go all the way around, and then I'll be on, and won't do anything. This is also a sticky piston. Actually, every piston I've used is a sticky piston. Then this is just a slab, and then you have the redstone coming around here. These both are full, 8 ticks. These are both full. And then on this side, you have a straight line of redstone, no repeaters in here, and the only delay is this torch. And what this does is it stops this from pulsing. It just keeps it locked in the powered state, which prevents a dispenser from firing for about 8 redstone ticks before these do, which is like half a second, I think, or just a little under half a second. But that's enough time for this to cycle through and make sure there's no TNT remaining in it. Other than that, is a really simple design. I mean, you can see everything from here pretty much. These have to be something with either like an inventory or something like obsidian. Basically any block that slime blocks can't move, because if they could, they would get caught and just mess things up. But that's going to be it for this episode. Don't forget to leave a like or subscribe if you liked this, and thanks for watching.